How to change currency in Remitly. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can change currency in Remitly. There are two different ways in order to change the currency in Remitly. If you're choosing to change the currency to whom you are sending, then first of all open your Remitly application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to locate Manage icon. Simply tap on it, and here under account details, you'll be able to see the sending to option. Simply tap on the drop down icon at the right side and then select the country to which you would like to send. Scroll down to find one, or you may also use the search bar at the top to find the one. Once you get it, simply tap on it to open it. After doing that, you will see you have successfully changed the currency to which you are sending. If you are not able to see this option in this field, then you may also use the shortcut. For that, tap on the home icon at the bottom left, and here at the top left corner, you will be able to see the flag icon. Simply tap on it, and from here too, you will be able to select the country that you would like to transfer to. Simply select a country from here, and then you will be able to change the currency as per that country. Now, if you would like to change your own currency, then simply tap on the Manage icon at the bottom right. Here under account details, look for a profile option and then simply tap on it. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll down and find this sending from. Here you can see currently United States is selected. You will need to locate the edit option at the right side of it. In case you are not able to see it, that means you will not be able to change it. Here in my case, I am not able to see the edit option at the right side of it, which means if I would like to change the currency or sending from option, then I need to create a new Remitly account and then choose a different currency or the country. Only then I'll be able to change the currency in Remitly. So this is how you can change currency in Remitly app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.